So why should these spikes be hung with corpses? What kind of creature could be responsible for creating such a gruesome scene? There's a mysterious killer at work in this desert. It's a butcher bird. This little songbird uses the spines as a butcher uses his hook to hold its prey as it dismembers it. And with chicks to feed, he also uses the spines as a larder. He's been stocking it for weeks. Hanging his prey out of the reach of scavengers on the ground ensures that his newly hatched young will never go hungry. An ingenious solution to making the good times last in the desert.